guys, welcome back to our videos. Today we are staying at Caribbean's Beach Resort. This is going to be a resort that is very accessible from the Skyliner, as well as they have a bus. This is room 3263 and building 32 of the Barbados. This is going to be our front door. And I do apologize as the camera looks a little bit strainy. I had some work done on it and unfortunately they gave it back to me messed up. So I'm trying to get that taken care of now. But this is our room. When you first walk in, we do have an AC here. We've got two little chairs and a table, front mirror, and here we have, this is going to be a room with a fifth sleeper. So I'm going to show you this in a second. That'll open up to be another bed. But this is going to be our room. You have two big queen comfy beds. I'm going to come around here. We do have a little nightstand here with our phone, our hello you know who, so I don't make them talk. Bible inside, and we've got some charging stations here. As well as by the door you also have a nook to put stuff on the top, and then you also have little stuff that you can hang, lanyards, ears, and such. Here we have our dresser slash fifth sleeper. So it looks like right here we have got our coffee maker. We've got a little can to store some ice in it. Open this up and we're gonna have our refrigerator. And then here, this does all open up so you can put shoes or whatever you need inside. And since I said this is a fifth sleeper, this is gonna pull down. And you're gonna have another bed here, twin size. Some very cute, cool Mickey art. You have some more charging stations right here. We're gonna come around this way, and this is gonna be our division into the restroom and our sink area. So you have two sinks, you have a blower, extra tissues, toilet paper, towels. You do have some bath soap and some lotion. We have our little luggage holder, trash can, ironing board, extra pillows and blankets, and then we do have a steam iron, and we also have a safe as well. We have a beautiful mirror. Hello. And then coming on this side we have our bathroom. So in the bathroom, of course, we have our toilet, and then we have our bathtub, which is very nice for the little ones. So it is a tub, not a shower. Got some towels. It does come with shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, and it's going to be regular shower head, no rain shower here. Let's see, there are hangers on the back of the door, and there is another mirror here in front of the door. And this is nice. I do like that Disney hotels do this. That way you can always close this off. So if you have, trying to get up for the little ones for the day, close it off, get ready, not let that light into the bedroom. Do what you gotta do. But that was gonna be our room. Again, 3263 and the Barbados section, building number 32. Thank you guys again for checking out this room with me. Have a good day.